do anything when it comes to that. You own me, yeah, you own me, yeah, you own me. Bitch, you better have my money when I come for the shit like ODB, yeah. Where I reside, it looks like a resort inside. Tell me where your shit from, I imported mine. Promise for money like my last name's more than high. Fuck you bitch, I'm more than high. Back and forth across the borderline. Hate to leave the city but I gotta do the overtime. Calling all the time even